Virginia Housing Accessibility Grant. Virginia Housing offer grant up to $8,000 for accessibility modification, including bathrooms upgrades like installing roll-in showers. You know, everybody needs a roll-in shower. You know, you got a wheelchair. You may need a shower, a brand new, and I'm talking brand new shower because these people under the Freedom Grant have totally paid the difference of getting my shower done. So you're a homeowner or you're renting. I don't know what the rules are for renting, but I know if you're a homeowner, they'll get it done for you. Including upgrades like installing roll-in showers, grab bars, and widening the doorway. They not only widened my doorway, they made my shower a bit bigger. They added chairs. They added chrome, top of the line shower head that's adjustable up and down, okay? And you can adjust the amount of the spray as well. Those are worth it. That Virginia Housing Offer Grant is up to $8,000. I know from experience because I used it up.